I don't know about you, but I love the look of an organized pantry. When I came across this label hack, I just had to share it. First thing first, you need to type out your words for labels on a Word document, Photoshop, or any program that you're comfortable with. No need for fancy paper. Just plain old printer paper will work just fine. Take a regular packing tape, I use Ultra Clear, and place this over your word. Next, take a credit card or a gift card and press hard to rub into the tape. This is the most important step. Now, drop it into a bowl of water. Let the label sit in the water for 1 minute to loosen the paper. Once the label is saturated, begin to rub off all the paper backing. You should be left with just text. Let the label dry completely. It will return to its sticky state and you'll be able to attach it to anything. I did this trick first in my pantry with a few airtight jars. The possibilities are seriously endless and it's the quickest DIY ever. Now, off to label my entire apartment.